Move it! Move it! I want to be back. Oh, no, no. 3, 4, 1, on! I think. James, where are you? Fuck me. Fuck me, got right in the head then. Hit! Number 1, C4's on, boys.
Got 2?
No, 1.
Sitting dry in that second barrel there.
What was that, mate?
Just turn around and look how dark the dark forest is from where you are.
Oh,
Dark.
Shot me off.
Fire in the hole!
It didn't quite go far enough.
I want to pop it.
Second barrel, yeah, I was shit fucking stuff here, I'll tell you that, look.
Going the right way to create that colour.
That's it, once it's gone up a little bit. Right. There's one on that, on his barrels.
Where? Second barrel in.
Second barrel on the left. Oh yeah, I'll see it.
Just so you know, there's no blind firing.
Is he blind firing?
He won't.
I say no blind fire.
He's got the other two.
Other one.
Crawl forward, if you can.
Get that. Has anybody got any? I got one.
Bang bang.
Nope.
Follow me.
No more bang bang.
You got any?
Well, where's the target?
Well, hit it!
Straight in the middle of the bridge, mate.
Yeah. You got some smoke there.
Whatever it's there, stay up to the bridge. Yeah, no, I'm not going to get it. It's going to have to go in the bridge twice. This one here. Hit!
Something's coming. Hanging off from left hand.
Don't move.
So I'm behind you, mate. There you go. Boom! Right down on the bridge. Bet that fucking hurt. What's that sniper? Right. How many C4s have you got, mate?
I only got one.
You only got one. Where's James? James! Hold! Hey! None, it's clear. Move up! Hey! Oh, C4.
I can't, I'm out.
Can you chuck it to me? Right, moving up on the bridge. Moving up on the bridge.